How to tag people on Instagram post. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can tag people on Insta post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram. After you open it up, you can just head over to any account that you want to post the picture in. So just tap on the plus icon on the bottom and take a picture if you want to. After you take a picture, you can tap on the next button and there you will see the tag people option. Tap on tag people and then just press on or just tap on any place on the photo. After you tap on it, you can then just type in the name of the person that you want to tag and then just tap on done. Now you can tap on share to share this post. So that is basically how you can tag people on Instagram post. The other way is just head over to a post that you have already posted and then tap on the three dots on the top right. Then you can just tap on the edit option and here you can tag a person. Right here you will see the person option. Tap on person and then you can just add another person also. So just type in the name of the person and just select it. And then tap on done and then done again to tag the person in a post that you have already posted. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.